Hey y'all, well I'm back with the test results that I took and some good news, and we're going to do the giveaway today. First of all, I went to the doctor and had the CT scan, and the results came back that the kidney stone that I had that was in the ureter has passed. Thank you. Bad news is there's another one in there that the x-ray did not pick up, but as long as it stays in my kidney, then I'm good. So I ended up back at the doctor's office this past Monday because this weekend I thought that I was passing another kidney stone. I was in so much pain, and of course it happened on the weekend, so I couldn't get into the doctor till Monday. But I saw my doctor's nurse practitioner, which by the way, I love her. But she was talking to me and asking me questions and asking where I hurt and how it started and everything. And so after she took a urine sample and she poked and prodded around, she said that she thinks what is happening is I had a flare-up of diverticulosis. So this is all new to me. I didn't know. They had said I had that when I had to go in the hospital, but I was so out of it and hurting, I didn't really, it went in one ear and out the other, if you know what that means. But anyway, so apparently that's what's been going on with me. So they got me on some antibiotics. They gave me some pain meds that help with the pain, and I feel so much better, y'all. Like, I'm so close to normal, it's not even funny. Well, you know, as normal as I can get from me, but you know what I'm saying. So that was good news because it is something that I can manage, and it's, you know, it doesn't have to be chronic. There's certain things you can do to make it better. And one of the things that she suggested is something that I've already had in my pantry, and it's MCT oil powder. And I don't know if any of y'all have ever tried that, but it's a lot like some of the sugar alcohols in the way that you have to start slowly or you're going to have a problem. But I'm up to a tablespoon in my coffee in the morning, and 1 tablespoon of that mixed in with my coffee seems to be helping. So if any of y'all have ever had any questions or curiosity about MCT oil, I'm telling you from personal experience, it's helping me. And you know, we're all different, and I'm certainly not a doctor or a medical person. I'm just giving you my own personal experience. So that's all good news. Jenny is still going around with the insurance companies, but I think they're getting closer to where they're going to be able to set a date for her surgery. So I'll keep you all posted on that. I think she was going to try to get on her phone and answer some of the comments that you guys had left for her. So she may have already done that already. I hadn't checked it in a while. So I just want to let y'all know that. And Miss Karen's great, completely recovered, feeling great. And Jenny's daughter is still going to therapy for her back. So we're just keeping them all in prayer, but I'm believing we're all going to be okay. So I wanted to say thank you to Ellen, who is a regular subscriber, and she emails me sometimes when I've been missing for a while, and it just touches my heart so much. So if you're watching, Ellen, thank you for that, hon. I appreciate it. And I guess we're going to get down to the business of the giveaway today. So I got 2 bowls here, and something funny happened, y'all. There was only 6 people that entered the contest, and so I had 4 giveaways. So I went down and got into the giveaway drawer, and I pulled out 2 more things. So everybody that entered the contest is going to win something. I just don't know what yet. So let me just make sure that I've got these in the right place so I don't feel goofy, any goofier than I am. Okay, so these are the items, and these are the peeps. So we're just going to go in here, and we're going to pick one. Okay. And it is, so the first prize that we're giving out today, I hope y'all can see that, is a little pillow. And it's this little pillow here, and it says live life in full bloom. It's got a little thing where you can hang it up. I have one hanging over one of my doors, and I think they're adorable. So that'll be the first one. So let's go in here and see who's won the pillow. And that is Miss Diane. So Diane, you won the little pillow, hun. And I'm working on getting a address book, I guess you would say, for regular people that sign up for giveaways and stuff, so y'all don't have to email me every single time. But I don't have that yet, so when y'all hear that you won, please be nice and send me your email and your address and everything so I can get your gift to you. So, oh, I gotta look away. All right. This is the devotional for help and healing. So that's the red one. That's 365 days of hope and healing. And I'm hoping y'all can see it. So I'm just like, I'm still gonna hold it up no matter what. So let's see who's gonna win this. And this is going to PJL, Miss Pam. So Miss Pam, you have won the devotional for hope and healing. And I haven't even peeked in these devotionals, but I bet they're good. I've got another one that I read, and I really enjoy it. So I hope y'all enjoy yours too. All right, so next gift. Well, there it is. And this is, second devotional, Resting in God's Presence. I'll show you the ticket first. And then it's this 365 days of Resting in God's Presence devotional. And let's see who's going to win that. I swear, y'all just have to love me where I'm at. Miss Nita Cash, you won that devotional, hon. So let me put your name down with your prize. All right. So the next thing is going to be the flower mug here, which is this one. And you know what, y'all, when I was showing y'all this the other day, I didn't even notice that the little handles are hard. I think that is so adorable. So this next one's for the mug here. And that is going to be Miss Tracy. You won the flower mug. So put you down for that. Y'all, I love doing the giveaways. It is so fun to me. And I know when I get in a contest or something and I win something, I'm like, woo! And I know it's not big stuff, but it's things that make you smile, you know? So, all right. Let's see what this is. All right, and this is the Hummingbird Smile and Be Happy and Smile mug. This is the green one that's so adorable that I think I've bought to give away before too. So let's see who's going to win the green mug. Do I have one in my hand? Yeah. All right. Y'all, this is harder than it looks when I'm doing it by myself. Mike Green, you have won the Hummingbird mug, hon. So we'll get that out in the mail to you. And I have a little confession to make to y'all. I have a mug problem. I love mugs, and I used to collect them a lot. And so when I moved in here, I would be buying them, you know, and I realized that I was running out of cabinet space. So I had to go on this like adventure of, if I brought something in, something had to go out. And it became a fun little game for me. And then when they opened the blessing box at our church, we have a box outside of our church where people can come and go at their own time. And I started putting the extra mugs in there, and they would just disappear right away. And it just makes me happy to know that, you know, it went somewhere that's making somebody smile. All right, so the last item is going to be this tote, if I've done this correctly, and I have. And let's see who won the tote here. Miss Cindy K. So this tote, Cindy, is so cute. It's got the 2 straps, and it's got the little flowers on the front and the back, and the tote says, "Love the life you live." And it's a nice size tote, and it seems to be fairly well made, so I hope you enjoy that, hon. And we'll get that in the mail to you. And I really appreciate you guys coming along and putting up with my nonsense and putting up with us when we disappear for a little while and praying for us when things are going wrong. We love y'all so much, and we just want you to know that we love you so much. So we do. And Miss Macy, I don't think she made an appearance today. If she did, I didn't hear. But she's Macy, where you at, girl? Oh, she's under the table and she's leaving. I don't think she wants to be on camera today. So anyway, guys, we love you. We appreciate you so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.